Hi friends! Happy Monday! I miss you. If you made it to this page, you have met the goal for today. If you've logged onto Google Classroom, I'm proud of you. You did this. We can do this together. Okay, right below this video, I have two things posted for you for assignments today. They're super easy. I hope you love them. I thought they were really fun. For reading, you are going to click on the link where the reading slide is, and you will see the Scholastic Diary of a Spider story. You're going to click listen to that, and then you're going to read A Spiderling Grows Up. Both of those, you can just click on the link and it will take you right where you need to go. Underneath that are 3 questions. Try and answer 1 or 2 of these. The first question says, I noticed. So when you were reading or listening to the story, what did you notice? Then the next question says, I wonder. Did you have any questions that you were wondering about while you were listening or reading the story? Just type it right in the boxes. And the last one says, this reminds me of. If you make a connection while you're listening to the story or reading, you could just type that in. That's your assignment. There's reading. Done. All right, for math, the slide is right underneath that. We are going to be starting geometry. This is the unit that we would have been starting together if we were in school. So we're going to do it together in Google Classroom. You are going to be looking at shapes, looking at names of shapes, the number of sides a shape has, and the number of angles. Your math assignment is always in the red box. You're going to type right in that red box. All of the instruction is on the page next to the red box. And then you just type in your answer. If you have any troubles, send me a text, send me an email. At the top of our Google Classroom, you will also see the schedule for the week. Do not be overwhelmed, okay? Every day it's going to look the same. Me, short video, math, reading, same type of format every day. The schedule just shows your families what we will be doing throughout the week. I will post these videos at the beginning of each day, and then your assignments will be either the math and the reading slides right below, or whatever is on the schedule for that week. I miss you, boys and girls. I wish we could be together. But since we need to stay home and stay safe, here's what we're going to do to be learning and growing together so you're ready for 3rd grade. Have fun today. Bye.